Video 4 of week 3. You can see that I've tidied up this a little bit. I just wanted to show you the little touches you can do. So for example, if I want to get rid of that little corner there, I can use one of these half frames. Because it's a half frame, it will fit in there neatly. Not quite a tight fit, but it worked better on that side. Actually, I can turn that off. Let's go back in again. Let's flip it upside down. Let's try this one. No, it's about the same. And then if I want a bobbly edge on here, I can just replace these tiles and go up. So I get a nice edge. These little tiles are quite handy for the tiny joiny bits. I've used that in a few places, like down here on the top corner and these edges. They're all pretty useful. Okay, in fact, right now, so I want to clear this area as well now. So what I'm going to do is go back to my layers, turn tile map 2 off, go to my graphics tile, click on tile map, go to my graphics. Oh, it's the game layer, pardon me. So we'll go to the game layer, tile map, and we're going to just get rid of this area and tidy some of this up. And then we're going to put a ramp in and a few other bits and pieces. So I'm going to get my eraser brush and just erase this part. So we'll have a fall through area. And so this is relatively straightforward. Make sure I got my drawing tool. Whoops. Get rid of some of that mirroring. That can be that edge. And we've got this edge. And then we want a wavy end. And now it's a bit hard to find the right things, but that might work. No, let's just give it a sort of corner end and then deal with that line. Not ideal, but I want you guys to be doing this. And I want to extend that background up a bit under here. It's all a bit, doesn't fit well. In fact, I might just extend it out actually. So let's just extend out and pop that in there. Have an end piece. A bit further out. Good. Use my trusty repeating stones. And I think I can probably put that on the bottom if I'm lucky. Almost lucky. Let's see if we can put something here. No. No, that won't work. Okay, not too bad. Yes, I've got my tunnel system. And then I think what I want to do is I want him to climb the wall here. So we need to give a visual clue for that, as this is all ready to go. So we'll have a bobbly edge, and I'll just pop it here and we'll run it down. Run it all the way up. Just a bit higher, we've got a ramp, and I'm going to put an edge on it, and then we'll use some this to fade everything away. See if we can put the bobbly bit on the bottom. Not too bad. And use the other side of this and maybe have that in there. Not ideal. We probably could do something like this. Yeah, okay, that looks all right. Good. So we have a little neat area for him to jump up to. And then we've got a ramp here. So I'm going to select all of these and carefully build a ramp. 1, 2, 3. Put an edge on, and then think about having a little bit coming down so we can work with this. Okay, that will do. Not too bad. Okay, and then I think what I'm going to have is I'm going to have a big hanging platform here. So I'm going to, you guys put one in here and I'll put one in and you can see how they match.